a mindfulness meditation for healing racism in the workplace through compassion and empathy. Racism in the workplace can cause deep hurt and harm, and it is essential that we approach this issue with compassion and empathy. Mindfulness meditation can help us cultivate these qualities within ourselves and promote healing and positive change. This guided meditation is designed to help you become more aware of your thoughts and feelings about racism in the workplace, to connect with your compassion and empathy, and to focus on affirmations that promote healing and positive change. Setting the scene. Before you begin this mindfulness meditation, find a quiet and comfortable place where you can be free from distractions. You can sit or lie down, whichever feels most comfortable for you. Take a few deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth to help you relax and let go of any tension or stress. Cultivating compassion and empathy. Begin by taking a deep breath in, and as you exhale, allow yourself to become aware of any thoughts or feelings you have about racism in the workplace. You may feel anger, frustration, sadness, or other emotions. Just observe these thoughts and feelings with curiosity, without judgment or criticism. Visualize a person who has experienced racism in the workplace. Imagine their pain, frustration, and sadness. As you do this, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine sending them love and compassion. Repeat this phrase to yourself. May all beings be free from the suffering caused by racism. May I be an instrument of healing in the workplace, connecting with empathy. Bring your attention to your heart center, the area around your chest. Place your hand on your heart if it feels comfortable. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine a warm and loving feeling spreading throughout your body. As you continue to breathe, imagine this feeling of warmth and love spreading beyond yourself and extending to others who may have experienced racism in the workplace. Allow yourself to feel empathy for them and the pain they may have felt. Repeat this phrase to yourself. May I feel compassion and empathy for those who have experienced racism in the workplace. May I be a source of support and understanding for them. Affirmations for healing racism in the workplace. Repeat the following affirmations to yourself, one at a time, for a few moments each.